We're still here at the special coverage of Real Talk Philippines for the Fashion Forte Season 24 at the Crown Plaza Galleria, Manila. And we're lucky to have the owners of Satin is Life. Talagang pag-usapan natin ano ba to at ano yung mga collection nila. And so we have Ma'am Justine and Sir Rafi with us for this special interview. Hello!
Hello po, good afternoon.
Hi, sir.
Good afternoon.
And syempre, we have two models ng kanilang mga, how do you call this?
Kimono robe po.
Kimono robe. So, Satin is Life. Tell me more, what it's all about.
We are locally made silk satin sleepwear provider po ng event, wedding, and also pang personal use po. And also, ngayon po, we're here po sa Passion 40 event and re-represent po namin yung mga locally made po naming kimono robe. Very perfect po habang naggagawa sila ng makeup and also nagsusuot sila ng mga bago sila mag-prepare para sa big event ngayon.
So while preparing for the runway, pwedeng ito yung ginagamit. And which is very, I believe, very comfortable para sa kanila, diba? So how do you come up with this kind of business? Is it your passion or you're really into fashion industry? So Rafi?
Yes, actually, this is our passion, just to provide our own product, especially in satin. Yung market kasi sa satin is very competitive. Kapag high quality yung product mo, talagang mabibenta at mabibenta mo siya. Tsaka hindi lang yun, mas matutuwa ka kapag nalalaman mo na satisfied yung mga customers nyo eh. So, well, Satin is Life is being originated with the satin fabric. So, lahat ng products namin are made in satin cloth. Yes, locally made.
And syempre, satin is, ano yan eh, parang status, ano yan eh, status brand that if you're wearing satin, it is something that talagang elegance. The elegance is the... Okay. So, aside from robe, what other satin products do you have?
We also have Cuello Pajama, unisex for men and women. Yes, and also, this is our new collection.
Wow.
With the slit.
Ayun. Okay.
Ayan.
Okay, so, and more pa ang pwede nating abaga. By the way, your Facebook page are available on Facebook. So, sige, promote po natin paano sila makaka-avail, saan nila makikita ang inyong store para mapuntahan naman nila.
We have a physical store located in Antipolo. We have a boutique there. Landmark neto is malapit to sa Shopwise Antipolo. So walking distance lang to. Then TikTok, we have a Facebook, active lahat ng admins namin. They are ready to accept your any inquiries. Especially kapag yung mga ikakasal, yan, malakas talaga si Satin is Life pagdating dyan. Yan, TikTok, Facebook, and Shopee. Yun lang.
And I believe you have collaborations with other designers as well para gumawa ng mga creation out of satin, tama?
Yes po.
Ayan. So, syempre, we also have two models here. Your names are?
Hello, my name is Kina Lynette Enriquez.
And you are?
And my name is Asian Ampel A. Martyr.
Okay. So, how does it feel that you're wearing a satin from them, and ano yung pakiramdam that you're part of the fashion portal?
Very comfy po itong I really love it po, especially when mini-makeupan po kami. Hindi po siya like others na parang mahirap siya isuot. Pero ito po, super comfy niya. And I'm really proud na maging part po sa Fashion Forte.
How about you?
And also, in my experience naman po, the robe is very comfortable naman po to wear. And also, I'm very confident po when I'm wearing this kasi pag mini-makeupan po ako, hindi po ako nahihirapan or also nadudumihan. And also, the experience here in Fashion Forte is very privileged, no? And also, we are thankful that we get to experience this kind of show.
Thank you very much, and talaga naman I'm looking forward for I myself to wear satin like this one. May kakasya ba sa akin?
Yes, we have.
Okay, that's it for us here at the Fashion Forte.